Okay, hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So I know that I look a little crazy starting this video off, but today we are going to be reviewing a product. We're going to be reviewing the Texture ID Mango Butter Twist and Define Cream. This is what the packaging looks like. So I just washed my hair in the shower, and this is basically like an extra add-on video, a continuation to the video I posted on Sunday, which is my trying out the Texture ID line in general. Basically, I'm just gonna do a 2-strand twist process, and then I'm gonna let that sit in for the next couple of days. I just wanted to try out this product and let you guys know what I think about it as a twisting cream. I did try the Texture ID twisting cream, this one right here, and I really loved it, and I'm hoping to love this one. I do have low porosity hair, so I was just wanting to know if this is going to be any great difference or if it's going to make my hair feel any different. I will tell you, as you probably saw in the first video, if you watched it, if you haven't, go watch it, but my hair feels great. I hopped out of the shower, did that same shower process and routine that I did there. I'm going to show you guys how I do like 3 of the twists, and then I'm just going to speed through and do the rest of my head. So as I said, I got out of the shower. I do this thing all the time where I put my hair into 4 sections. I don't have a clip, so I'm just gonna tie my hair up like this. My hair, it feels real good. Like it says, the ingredients or the directions they apply to dry to damp hair from roots to end. Style is normal, let air dry or use a diffuser or hooded dryer. Let hair dry completely before separating. This is what the inside of the jar looks like. Moving, as you can see, but it's not like crazy. But I also have a mirror behind the camera, which is what I'm looking at for parts and stuff. But I'm essentially just gonna try and do the same parting that I do on one side on the other to make it look uniform. Ooh, this is super defining. So if you did just want to use this as a cream, if you're a cream person, it's really defining. As you can see, I'm gonna separate. I'm just gonna twist. And then at the end, I just like to give them a little coil. So they will do like, this is what this twist looks like. If you're a natural girly who is kind of like lost and stuff on the kind of styles that you want to try, or you don't know some styles that look good, because I know some people are still in that phase of trying to be accepting of their natural hair, me included some days. Like, I'm not gonna go get like a relaxer or anything. Like, there's nothing wrong with that if that's what you want to do and you know the risk by now. But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm more so of like ever since I started getting protective styles and I know that that can work for me, I've just been in the habit of going to protective styles for literally everything and not, I guess, loving my hair. And when I say protective styles, I mean like always getting braids and stuff like that. And I think that I'm on this journey of just like learning that to embrace my hair. A lot of the time I do it because it's just a lot easier to take care of, although I have found myself falling into that bad habit of feeling as if my hair looks better when it's in that state instead of in its natural state. And I think that's the part that's like not healthy. Definitely working on that. But also doing styles on your hair can be very time consuming. I like getting my hair done because I get my hair done by my cousin, and I just get to sit there and key with my girl, you know, and I love her. So that's always nice. But I think that her moving has allowed me to put more time into my hair and show up for it, because last year there was a point where I had taken out my protective style, washed my hair, and like not even 2 days later, maybe 2 days later, I was back in my cousin's house for the next set of braids, because I was like, I can't do this. And then it was low-key bad timing, because I had to take them out right before I ended up going to Florida. And so because of that, that made like my hair in Florida wasn't horrible or nothing, but it definitely was not everything it needed to be. These 3 twists I just did, right, they look juicy. But yeah, I think that sometimes it's easy to slip into the bad habit of feeling like your hair in its natural state isn't like good enough, or it's not like pretty or something, or it makes you look worse. And I think that you should always want to feel best in the state that you are going to like rest in, if that makes sense. So don't ever get addicted to something that's only like a temporary change, because that brings you temporary happiness within yourself, and you don't want that. This is one of the styles that I prefer to do when I am doing this, is because it's super easy to do if you know how to twist your hair, as well as you can keep them in for a pretty decent amount of time if you like, you know, wrap your hair up at night, all that kind of stuff. Also, twisting creams, I feel like if you get a good one, they last a long time. So not only is your hair lasting a long time and you don't have to manipulate it all the time, but also your product is like stretching longer. So that is always nice too. Y'all, I've also been trying to learn how to braid my natural hair, not like knotless braids or anything like that, but just like doing braided styles. Recently, I'm learning how to do those like Dutch braid things, and oh my god, when I tell y'all, it'd be so hard for me. People really don't understand that I feel like you're born with a gene to be able to do your hair. I really do, because I feel like I was not born with that gene. My mom did my hair when I was growing up, but I wouldn't say that she knows how to like do hair. She can do a little one too. I'm thinking that this whole thing is gonna take me like 2 hours, I'm gonna say. That's what I'm planning for. Guys, when you're doing styles like this and stuff, it honestly is so much easier when you've detangled your hair and stuff in the shower already. Like, when I tell you, it makes this process so much easier. Also, guys, look at my nails. They're growing out, right? And shout out to my nail tech, because these are my like real nails under here. I said, oh girl, not you growing me. One thing that I can say, this twist butter, I love how I'm seeing it literally define the twist. One thing also, if you guys notice, my hand is always constantly going down, because this is allowing me to like make sure that my twists are smooth. And then always make sure that you're grabbing for all the hair in a section, because this happens to me quite often. I like leave out hair. For all of my hair girls, what are some lines that you guys want to see me try out? I really want to start trying more natural hair products out this year and giving my opinions on it, because I feel like for so long I've been on this natural hair journey of mine, and it really does just help me when people give me like honest reviews before I go buy a product, because I hate trying to like fix an issue with my hair and then the video doesn't answer like if it actually fixes that issue or not, but that's what it's like titled about or whatever. For anyone who doesn't know, I have like low porosity hair, so that's majority of the problems in my hair. I kind of suffer from hair dryness, which gives me frizzy hair, and that's what I'm usually trying to combat. So most videos on this channel will be geared towards like definition and stuff like that. I do make videos focusing on hair growth and products that promote hair growth, but I truthfully think that it's more important for your hair to be healthy than it is for your hair to be long, because I also feel like people think the other way for a little bit and convince themselves, and then they end up cutting all their hair off. So let's not do that, you know, because we don't want that to happen. Guys, I've also been watching this show on Netflix called Designated Survivor, and it's really, really, really good. I'm super into it right now. I've been watching it while I'm doing like my marketing, like homework and discussion boards and stuff like that, and it's honestly quite amazing. But anyway, so I just finished this top section, or this first section, and this is what the twists are looking like. All right, super cute, super juicy. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to these two sections. I started at like, I'm gonna say $12.50. It's $120 right now, so we're gonna hope to be done by like $2.50. So let's get to it. Okay, so I just finished my hair. This is what it looks like. As y'all can see, the twists are super juicy. So my final thoughts on this product are, the product smells amazing. It's super easy to apply. I think this twist cream is literally like $11 for the results. I think that it's completely worth it. I love them. I have no big complaints about it. Everything came out really good. My hair doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel like it's like overly wet or anything like that. And they feel like they're gonna hold pretty well. So I don't really have any complaints. I definitely would rate this product a solid 10 out of 10. Like, I have absolutely not one single complaint. Yeah, enough to the fact where I might actually wear my hair like this to the event that I am going to be honest, because this looks super good. The ends, all the curls, like, you know, yeah. So here are all the twists. Here's the top. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me in this video though. Let me know if you do try the product in the comments. Again, also let me know what products you guys want to see me try out. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.